How to delete movies on Amazon Fire Tablet. This is going to show you how to remove the video files from your Amazon Fire Tablet, because if you've downloaded a film and potentially you've done it on a high quality, etc., it's going to take up a lot of space on your Amazon Fire Tablet's storage systems. So if you want to remove that, what you're going to want to do is first of all click on to Prime Video, because this is going to be removing the videos that are on the Prime Video section for it. There's other videos in the playlist in the link in the description if you want to see how to do other things. But once you're on the Prime Video page here, click on the top right hand corner where you see the little circle with a person outline on it. Then you'll see here your profile. It should already be on downloads. If not, click on it. Then click the top right hand corner where it says edit. Then once you've clicked edit, you should see a little tick box on the left hand side. You can either tick the films or movies individually or click select all of the top left hand corner area there. And then click delete once you've got all the videos you wanted to delete, and then it's done like that. So leave a like on the video if that ever helps and subscribe for more helpful videos.